welcome back to my channel. Today's look is for the 4th of July. American. Yeah. Anyways, I had this whole cute little couple sitting on a boardwalk in the water with the fireworks going off in front of the city. And then I have all the redness mostly onto my face to add to it. July 4th will be Wednesday. If you like this look at the end, please don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on my notification bell and you'll never miss another video from me. And if you would like to know how I did this whole thing, then keep on watching. I always do that in the beginning. Alright, we're gonna start off by doing the chest. Well, 4th of July is obviously red, white, and blue. America! I was planning on doing a gore thing next, but
that didn't happen.
Because I want to do something at 4th of July, and I don't want to do something gory 4th of July. You know what I'm saying? And I can't do it next week because it's gonna be after 4th of July, and who cares about the holiday afterwards?
Nobody.
That's like doing Christmas stuff after Christmas ended. No one cares about Christmas after December 25th. I feel like I should be a little bit brighter. That looks tight. All my brushes are dirty because I don't wash them. That's for dang sure. I just use makeup wipes when I'm about to use them. I just brush them off. Oh, usually I don't show you guys this part, but maybe I should occasionally. I moisturize first with oil-free moisturizer, sensitive skin from Neutrogena. And I put 1.5 pumps on my finger, and I moisturize the hell out of my face because I have pretty dry skin, if you didn't know, if I never told you guys that. My skin is pretty dry. It feels like it's water-based, and that's good because if you can tell, I have pretty acne-prone skin. Actually, I don't actually have that bad skin around prom time when I wasn't doing paintings every week and I was focusing on some stuff I was doing. My acne was pretty good. And then once I started doing paintings every week, it's my paint that really breaks me out, which sucks because I love it and I can't stop doing it. I just have to take extra good care of my skin, which I don't do. If I use too much moisturizer on my eyelid or under my eyes, my eye like starts burning.
Burning up, baby.
Ow, it's always this side. Okay. Once you look like you've had your eyes open underwater while swimming the whole time, that's when you know you put enough moisturizer on. And then after that, I use the Mario Badescu skincare with the rose water because that's also hydrating. And then I need to dry it. I don't show this part because I'm always in pain because I put way too much. Well, I put a good amount of moisturizer on my skin, but then I accidentally put it in my eye every time. Also, I put chapstick on. Baby Lips sunscreen, even though I don't go out in the sun on days like this because I'm sitting in my basement for 8 hours. My lips feel like babies. And then Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. This is also for dry skin. You gotta really prep your skin for what you're gonna do to it because this is a lot to do to it, you know? I'm primed and now I'm ready to go. Done. Moisturizer, lock it. Oh, it wasn't locked. This is rose water. I threw it on the floor because it would have been like breaking everything if I threw it on my desk. Grab your black water activated paint and some water. You're gonna draw like a boardwalk kind of thing. And there's gonna be kids sitting on it to look at the fireworks. I also wanted to draw it on the ocean because I remember one time we would always go up on vacation to Lake George and there was always fireworks up there. The fireworks where I live is like, they're cool, they're fun, but like when I went up there, like I don't know what it was. I would always feel like different. Like I would always watch the fireworks up at Lake George and I'd be like, wow. They were the same fireworks, they felt cooler in my mind. I don't know what it was. They were so amazing when I was up there. I erased some of the original lines that were underneath the deck that was closest to my arm, just because they didn't really look like they made any sense. I painted the boardwalk a nice pastel brown color just to give it a base before I shaded and highlighted. I'm going to take out my black eyeshadow and a shading brush, kind of like an under eye brush, and I'm going to start from the top of the deck and then go down because that's where most of the shadow is, like the darkest shadow. I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk and go on the bottom because that's where it's going to be the most highlighted. I'm taking an eyeshadow palette with a dark brown. I'm taking the shade Edgy in the Tarte palette and the shade Smoked, and I'm going to go right in the middle. I'm going to mix those two together to kind of create a middle shade in between the black and the light brown paint. I'm taking more of Smoked and going really close to the black just to blend everything together. And then from that same eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna grab the shade Vintage. It's just like a stark white shade, and I'm gonna go over the white cream paint to really set that. And wow, that's a lot of fallout. And just blend everything together. I have literally no idea why it wasn't focused. Like, it wasn't focused on anything else, but it will go back to normal in a few. Grab your white paint, and this is gonna go on the side, this side right here. Okay, so now we have to start the water, and this is the part that I'm scared about because I really don't even know how to start. I'm gonna start off by putting eyeshadow just like right at the base of it because it's gonna be black all down here. I'm gonna take this light blue pastel-y color and start going in with the water. I'm gonna paint this color to about here, and I'll be right back. All right, now I'm trying to shade the water to make it feel more dark and not daytime. So right now I'm taking a dark blue paint and kind of going back and forth horizontally to create some kind of current in the water, and I'm basically going all over the light blue, so there really should only be a little bit of the light blue peeking through. After that, I went in with the black paint and did the same exact technique as I did with the blue paint, but just a little bit less, just to really darken it up and feel like nighttime. Okay, now that I have that done, I'm going to take a black paint and just make a black line across, because you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna draw buildings. Got the buildings. But it's gonna be like a jig-jaggy line because the skyline of the buildings are not very, it's not like a straight line, you know what I mean? Once I figure out where the fireworks are gonna be, I'm gonna highlight the water more. I'm gonna try and make the buildings pretty small so I can fit the fireworks in. I'm using an eyeshadow actually, I'm not using paint, so it's not like too harsh. Boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna use a different eyeliner brush to do all the lights because all the buildings are very bright. All right, I'm grabbing yellow because that's really the lights look like they're inside the house. They're mostly yellow. So I'm gonna be highlighting a lot with that color and hopefully it makes it look a little bit better. I don't know, sister, we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna go on to the fireworks. Take a dark blue color, and that's the color of the sky that we're gonna make it. All right, I'm gonna start on the fireworks on my neck. I really like the plain ones that are like just like yellow goldish, but I also really like the white ones. I don't know, we're gonna start off drawing the white ones and then I'll see how I feel if I wanna add some color to them. I'm gonna take the jumbo pencil and just put some of this in the sky to make some nice clouds. I love. Fireworks are right here, so the light's gonna be right there. So I'm taking the jumbo eye pencil like that, and I'm gonna try and just make a lot of lightness right here since the fireworks would be shining down brightly right around here. Uh-oh, she needs to be sharpened. I'm gonna make it really light around them too because the fireworks are shining down right next to them. So cute, right? Oh my god. Sexy man, just from my man. So we're adding yellow into the mix. To give the water a little bit more dimension, I went in with light purple, dark purple, and light pink paint. It was such a small difference, but I think it made the water look 10 times better. I'm just putting some lines on the boardwalk. Right now, I'm waiting for Shane to come out with his part 3 to his series about TanaCon. I'm so excited. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of a shadow actually onto the boardwalk of their body because it kind of looks like they're behind it and I want them to be obviously sitting on it. Okay, so here's my dilemma. My cream paint has totally gone MIA. So what I was thinking is this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil is creamy. I think we can use this to mix it with my foundation. I'm going to use the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I don't want this to match me. I want it to be much paler than me, almost like white. I'm just gonna do this. Ha! And then take the luminous foundation and blend it together. I just would like it to be a little bit lighter, so I'm probably gonna highlight to the heavens. I don't think this looks bad. I don't think it looks much different than with my cream paint. No, that's a design. That's a design. Now it's time to highlight because it needs to be lighter. I'm literally just going in with the pencil. And can you guess what color we're gonna contour with? Red, because it's red, white, and blue day, baby. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take Sister Shape Tape in the shade Fair, the first one, because that's actually my winter shade. We're gonna do that to give me the coverage, and then I'll just keep going over with the white until I get it as bright as I want it. What time is it? 2:58. Shane's supposed to be posting at 3. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. What's your tea, girl? We're going to take Miss Tarte's Pro palette and take that Fallouty shade, the white one. Vintage. This smells so good. And I'm gonna take the other side of the beauty blender and just grab that. Wow, that was pigmented. And just put that under your eyes. Oh my god. Okay, Shane posted his video. I have to go watch it. That means I'm gonna set my face so it doesn't get gross. Hold on, let me see how long it is because I gotta figure out if I need a snack or a meal. Oh, it's 41 minutes. Yes. I need a good snack. I need a good snack. Oh, the thumbnail is everything. Tana crying? Yes, I need that. Love you, Tana. We're gonna find out the true tea. So I'm gonna set the places that I highlighted with the eyeshadow. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face with a translucent powder. After I do that, after everything is set in place, I'm going to go sit down and grab a snack and watch that 41-minute video because there's no way that I'm waiting a couple more hours to watch that. And then I'll be right back. I'll be right back with my knowledge on TanaCon. I don't know why I'm so interested in it. Like, it's crazy. A lot of people don't care about it, but I think it's so intriguing. Like, the whole, like, TanaCon situation. Just like he is. Like, I'm not even involved with it. I'm so excited. And I'll be back in, like, an hour. Oh, my f***ing god. That was insane. I love Shane Dawson. The king of YouTube. I'm back. The Morphe 35B palette. And go in with this red shade right there. And we're gonna start contouring out my cheekies. I'm gonna take a blending brush and take a blue eyeshadow and go right next to the paint on my chin, blend it up together into my skin. Okay, to contour my nose, I'm gonna take that same red shade. I'm gonna go in with my next shade, and that's going to be Man Eater from the Huda Beauty palette, because that is a little bit of a deeper red. I filled in some fleeky brows. And now I'm going to do an eye look. So go in with the first shade that we contoured with from the Morphe 35B, that one. Really blow this color out. Like bring her on vacation out here. Really just gas her up and make her feel beautiful. I love these brows. They're so fun. Next, I'm going to grab the Man Eater shade that we deepened up our contours with and really focus that on our outer corner. Now going with some black and really deepen and darken the outer corner. You don't have to blow her out. She's a shy little woman. She keeps calm and secure in her outer corner. I like to place it in there first and really pack it in there and then blend it out after. I'm gonna cut out my half cut crease. So I put eyelashes and eyeliner on, and now I'm going to highlight my face. I'm gonna grab the Aurora palette from Anastasia. I'm gonna grab the shade Eclipse and Luna, and then just highlight the normal areas of my face. Okay, and here's what I'm gonna do with my lips. I'm going to take this red lipstick from Smashbox in the shade Bang Bang, and I'm gonna line my lips with it, but I'm not gonna fill it in. I'm going to take the white lipstick in the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm gonna put that right in the center of my lips. We're not gonna take any pictures with my teeth showing because my teeth look yellow. So I'm going to take the white paint and I'm just making a big firework up on my face. I'm starting off with white, but then I'm gonna go into different colors. I'm gonna grab a red paint. And then I'm gonna grab a blue shade. And then I'm gonna do another cute little one right on my cheek. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this look, please like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions on what I should do next, leave it in the comment section below. I go down there and read everyone's comments, so if you ever want to chit chat with me, I always reply to every single comment. Thank you guys so much for staying till the outro and the end, and even just being here and watching my video. I really appreciate you guys so much. I love you guys, and I will check you in the next video. Bye!